How does a guilty verdict impact your future? Imagine standing in a courtroom, waiting for the judge to announce the verdict. The moment can change everything. A guilty verdict means the court believes the prosecution has proven your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. This verdict brings immediate and long-lasting effects that can shape your life in many ways. First, let's talk about sentencing. After a guilty verdict, the judge decides on a punishment. This could mean jail time, probation, fines, community service, or a mix of these. The type of crime you were convicted of plays a big role in how severe the sentence will be. For example, felony convictions can lead to years in prison, while misdemeanors might result in shorter jail time or lighter penalties. But the impact goes beyond just the sentence. A guilty verdict can affect your civil rights and personal freedoms. You might lose the right to vote, own firearms, or even qualify for certain jobs, especially if the crime is serious. The social consequences can be just as tough. Your reputation may suffer, relationships could become strained, and you may face stigma from society. Additionally, a guilty verdict can have implications in civil cases. Sometimes, it can serve as strong evidence in lawsuits, making it easier for plaintiffs to win compensation claims. Even after a guilty verdict, there are still options available. Defense attorneys can work to reduce sentences by presenting factors that might lessen the punishment. They can also file appeals if there were mistakes during the trial that could have changed the outcome. Other legal options, like habeas corpus petitions, can challenge the legality of your imprisonment. In specific cases, such as domestic violence convictions, there may be additional consequences. These can include mandatory intervention programs and restrictions on firearm ownership, extending the effects of the verdict. Overall, a guilty verdict can greatly influence your future through legal penalties, loss of rights, social challenges, and potential civil liabilities. However, having a skilled criminal defense attorney can help navigate the aftermath and work to lessen these impacts.